Hello, welcome back to our Good Eaton Chef videos. And today we are about to be making snow ice cream. We have some almond milk because our baby sister is allergic to almond milk. Adalynn, say hi. Hi. And then we're going to add some vanilla and then sugar and mix it together in a big bowl. So, Evie, why don't you add the milk? Carefully. Good. Now, I'll add the vanilla. And we can each do a little bit of the sugar. Now mix.
Now we're gonna get the snow.
Okay, now we're gonna be scooping our snow, 4 each. So that would be a total of 8. Make sure you're all ready and bundled up to go outside because it could be really cold. Let's get scooping. Come on. We have a total of 4 inches of snow.
Even very small chefs can help with this step. It is possible to be a little distracted during this step.
Once you have your snow, you bring it inside. Okay, so now that we've got our snow, we're going to mix it, put the snow in and mix it. Oops. It's like it was like.
I want to put some.
Wait. How about you scoop it a little at a time and then I mix it so it doesn't go like stack up a bunch. Dump it in.
Stop. Snap.
Clap, clap, chop, chop, loop, loop, snoop, snoop. Mix around, blop, blop, chop, chop, loop, loop, snoop, snoop, loop, loop, snoop, snoop. Let's keep mixing. Oh, it looks done. Now we can get our scooper and scoop. So, 1 for you, 1 for me, and 1 for her. Make sure to make this soon before the snow goes away. We have made our ice cream. You can put any ice cream toppings on it, but I would not recommend hot fudge. And I think I can tell a joke. Why do you always knock on the fridge before you open it? Because of the ranch dressing. Let's feast. Mine's already starting to melt, I think.
I want ice cream soup. Ice cream snow soup.
Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. Brain freeze.